Greetings everyone, welcome to Kirk School Year Auto TV. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like, and also hit the notification bell. So today working on this Toyota RAV4, and the customer tell me that he driving the vehicle and all of a sudden he start to hear a rattling sound in the engine. Then the air conditioner start to blow hot and the AC light start to blink. Here is the compressor. Not sure what's going on with it yet. I'm just gonna check it now. The pulley is okay. Gonna check the clutch. The clutch is not moving. The clutch should move freely. That means the piston inside of the compressor is damaged, so we cannot use but this compressor. We have to use a different one, and it cannot fix neither, so we have to just replace a compressor that good. And we are removing the receiver dryer as well. Basically we're going to install a new one, new and old receiver dryer. We are also removing the evaporator core. This is the evaporator core. We're going to take it out of the case and clean it. The whole one here, that jam, and this is the one that I'm going to install. I use good compressor. Everything is out: the compressor, the receiver dryer, and also the evaporator core. This is a quick explanation why we change the receiver dryer and flushing out the air conditioning system. So these little small shine thing you see here is cuttings that come out of the middle of the compressor. The piston jam, and all those cuttings go all over in the air conditioning system. So if we do not get rid of them, when we install a new compressor a week later, that new compressor will jam again and cause the air conditioning system to fail. So we're going to install the compressor now. The engine start, the air conditioner is on, and it's blowing cold. You can see the low side part sweating, a lot of water. Everything fit up back properly. So that's it guys. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell.